What's going to happen in the next pandemic? This is something we need to think about it because we will have a next pandemic. It's inevitable. It's a matter of time. Now, we don't have a particular rule book of what to do in the next pandemic. Well, we had one, or whatever we had simply didn't work, and it transformed due to this virus, due to COVID. What happened is that due to COVID, we have an automatic, so we already have a rule book, but it's not a written one. It's one that it's going to happen. It's automatic reaction. So next pandemic or next virus we're gonna have extreme measures taking place because the public and or governments would think that this is the next virus, and we're gonna have wide lockdowns and could be even worse than what we had before. And I'm not trying to argue for or against such measures. That could be well that could well be the way to confront it. But I think we should have a rule book in place of what to do when the next virus comes. Do we gonna do are we gonna do lockdowns, serious lockdowns? I think that's the automatic again, that's the automatic reaction. That's inevitably going to happen, that we're gonna have those serious lockdowns. It's a matter of time. There is no running away from it. And the reason we need to think about it is, do we want to have those serious lockdowns every time we have a virus? Because we're going to have a lot of viruses in the future. And we had some in the past. And we have false alarms. And we will have false alarms. That's what's important to think about. What are we going to do? And again, I think that's the current reaction would be serious reaction, extreme measures taking place to avoid COVID again. And in the long run, this is not necessarily the best approach. That's why we need to think about it. What are we going to do? How much are we going to curtail economic growth in order to avoid small or large COVIDs similar? I think this is something that has to be thought, and I don't think there is enough thought dedicated to the subject. So it would be interesting what public officials will do. Would there be a rule book, and what would be in the rule book? And again, even if there would be a rule book, if there is another virus emerges, I think again the automatic reaction would be extreme. That's it for this. Thank you.